If you're wondering how to improve your estimating process with CoConstruct, you're in the right place. Whether you're a builder or a contractor, having an accurate estimating system can make all the difference in your projects. Stick around until the end, and I'll show you how to streamline your workflow and reduce errors with CoConstruct's features. Plus, we have a special offer just for you, so don't miss it. First off, let's talk about customizable templates. CoConstruct lets you create personalized templates that fit your business needs, whether you're estimating a custom home, a remodel, or anything in between. No more starting from scratch every time. With just a few tweaks, you can apply these templates to multiple projects, saving you tons of time. Next thing, CoConstruct helps you sync your estimates with your budget. This is huge because it ensures you're working with real-time data. You can easily adjust your pricing as material costs change or as project details evolve. You can see exactly where you stand and adjust accordingly, making it easier to stay within budget. Now, let's dive into collaboration. One of the most powerful features of CoConstruct is how it allows you to collaborate seamlessly with your team, subcontractors, and clients. Everyone gets access to the same data and updates, so you avoid miscommunication. This helps keep your estimates more accurate because everyone is on the same page all the time. The fourth thing to consider is integration with accounting tools. With CoConstruct, your estimating process connects directly with your accounting software, reducing manual data entry and mistakes. This streamlines your entire financial workflow, making sure you're billing and tracking costs accurately. Finally, there's real-time change tracking. We all know changes happen, and CoConstruct's change order tool lets you track adjustments to the project quickly. If a client wants a change, or if something unexpected happens on site, you can update your estimate right away, and everyone will be in the loop. This means fewer surprises and a smoother project experience. Remember, CoConstruct is available for free from the first link in the description, where you can also access exclusive bonuses that'll help you get started faster. If you want to optimize your estimating process and avoid common pitfalls, CoConstruct might be the solution you've been looking for. By the way, don't forget that if you use the link below, you get an extended free trial of CoConstruct, which gives you a chance to experience the full range of features before you commit. Take advantage of this offer while it lasts, and start improving your estimating process today. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you take your estimating game to the next level.